Today we're looking at the DOD, that's deck over dump. The deck over dump is definitely one of the dump trailers in the lineup that is the underdog. Doesn't get a lot of screen time, a lot of spotlight, but it's probably actually one of the most versatile dump trailers that we offer. It has a GVWR ranging from 14,900 pounds all the way to 24,000 pounds, which is what we're looking at today. Let's go take a look at this one in particular and see how it's been outfitted to do a specific job for the customer that ordered it. We mentioned the DOD being highly versatile. What differentiates the DOD from all the other dump trailers on our website is the 18-inch tall fold-down sides. The fold-down sides allow you to side load cargo just like a deck over equipment trailer, but still have all the dump functions that a normal dump trailer would have. Right now we've already got the pin up front undone. We'll undo the back pin. Let me drop the sides down. So you can see you have clear deck space on either side to load palleted goods or side load cargo. In true DC fashion, the DOD has a ton of options available. You can build it up from 12 foot to 16 foot. You can build it from 14,900 all the way to 24,000 GVWR. Bumper pull, gooseneck, you name it, you can build it to fit the job you need to do. So this customer built it specifically for them with a gooseneck option. The gooseneck package for DC comes with the full width neck box, two 12K jacks. That neck box houses your power unit to run the bed up and down, but also has a little extra space for chains and boomers, things like that to haul equipment. So next it has, you can notice the three 7,000 pound axles. That's a 24,000 pound GVWR rating. That's 7 per each. So a lot of people ask, well, how do you get 24,000 if the axles only add up to 21,000? So in this case, we prorate 15% over onto the tow vehicle, and it effectively allows us to increase the payload capacity or the GVWR of the trailer. So three 7,000 pound axles. Also, when you do that package, it includes the 620 Scissor Lift. That's a Champion 6-inch bore cylinder, 20-inch stroke. That's an upgraded scissor lift to match the load capacity that you're given with the 24,000 GVWR, which is about 17,000 pounds worth of capacity on this trailer that you can dump out of it, or hauling a machine is no problem. Bed's down, it's got the slide-in ramps. Next, you see the tarp up top is standard. That's standard equipment, and then the boards on the side. That's the 6-inch raised front with board bracket option. The cool thing about that board is it's like cheap insurance is what I call it, because say you've got this trailer being pulled by your guys, or it's being loaded at the rock yard or the dirt pit, and they come over to load the side of it and they hit it, they're hitting that wood that can be replaced versus hitting metal and busting your powder coat. So not only is it a little bit of protection, it's also a little bit more cubic volume. When you're talking about hauling trash and debris, you've got a little more space in the body. To find out more information on the DOD or any other Diamond C product, jump on diamondc.com. We've got the Learning Center where you can find all sorts of valuable information there about not just dump trailers, but everything Diamond C does, from products to culture, everything in between. If you find this content valuable, make sure to subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you on the road.